friends, today I am introducing a smart dustbin. I've made it with ultrasonic sensor, a servo, Arduino, which is the brain of our project. So we have made. I coded the Arduino as per my needs, and the code is like that. When an obstacle comes between the sensor, the ultrasound waves reflect from the sensor, and the receiver takes it, and the IC converts that signals into electronic signals. Then the signals go to Arduino. Arduino processes it and then says that the servo has to open the door of the dustbin. So servo opens the door, and when we put the waste inside and go away, this servo closes the door. So let's see how it works. So this is my hand. So right now this is a prototype. So I am powering it with a 12-volt DC adapter, but in the actual product it will be a battery. Thank you.